All right, welcome to episode number 3 of What Did You Do This Weekend? We're continuing with the gardening, uh, and I picked up some fresh basil, 2 basils, and I'm forgetting what this guy is right here. Sage. So he's sage and then 2 really nice basils. Don't they look wonderful? And they're organic. Forgive me, I'm going to put you into my hat because I have to get from here to there without having my wonderful, lovely one say, what in the world are you showing the world now? So let's go ahead and go outside, and I'm going to show you what else I got. Very exciting. Okay, sorry about the jostling. I know that's not a thing that makes you get more fans. All right, here we go. Now, I'm not going to know what they are. All I can tell you is I like to plant things. Now, you'll recall that I was mentioning that I wanted to get something to plant here. Between these houses, there's a porch. Now, I know they're not dedicating their lives to just saying, I wonder what my neighbor's doing 2 streets over, but there you go. So what I got was this guy here. So mind you, I'm in the Northeast, and this is a peach plant, my friend. A peach plant tree. So it looks like he has a 1-year guarantee on there. It's already flowering. You can see that right here. Isn't that lovely? And I got them for $79.98. Okay, so let's try not to make you too dizzy. Sorry about that. $79.98. Full sun, 6-hour direct sun. Back here by the fence, he's going to have a good chance of having the morning sun, which is going to come up here. Wow, sorry about that. This way, between the house, and it traverses my house this way. So the sun will come all like this. All right. So what I'm going to have to do now is, I don't like doing this, but I'm going to have to dig up this guy here, this rose bush. There's 3 of them back here. I'm going to move him next to him over there, probably in this area right there, because my wife said she'd like to have the tree not dropping its fruit in her neighbor's yard. I get that. All right, so, whoa, my God, am I excited about this. Look how tall he is. If I were to guess, I'm 6 foot. I would say he's a good 8 to 9 feet. Maybe 8.5 to 9 feet. So I'm very excited about that. Again, look at the lovely, if you can see, the lovely, it doesn't want to focus, flowers on here. So nice. Don't know why it's being so naughty and doesn't want to focus for me. And the other thing I got is this. Look how beautiful. This was $24.98. Linwood Gold Forsythia. Okay. And we're going to put him, or whatever it is, over there where all that garbage is. Well, this is all wood and things like this for the trees. And if you're following this series, What the Heck Did You Do This Weekend? You'll know that this, in series 1, we moved all this stuff from here to here. And so now I'm going to have to move this guy, from here and put him behind the shed. I really don't want to do that because I cleaned all that up-ish, all the stuff that was behind there. So I'm going to try to think of something else that won't upset the wife too much. You see, I don't have a truck. I have a friend that has a truck that'll loan me a truck. That's up in that's far from here. And so there you go. So I'm very excited. So this beautiful yellow thing, Forsythia, is going to go back in the left-hand corner, and it'll help bring some joy over in that area of the yard. So very exciting. Now I have to do some digging I have to dig him up, as I stated. This guy here, rose bush, he's red, and put this guy in there. So I'm going to be pretty busy with my pickaxe. I'll probably attach the I'll attach the video where I am done planting these, and I'll talk about what it is that the directions say about planting them. So, all right, thanks for watching. And I was thrilled today. I went over to Lowe's and there was a gentleman that says he watched our porch worship, which was cool. And so that was pretty cool. All right, take care. Shalom aleichem. Masalami. Tot ziens. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. How beautiful. Oh my, so beautiful. All right, let's stop it here.